Okay, everybody, you remember yesterday when we made symmetrical shapes? I was playing around with some pattern blocks and I chose all triangles. And I think that I can use a corner, a 90-degree square corner here, a 90-degree angle, to measure these triangles and find out if they're acute, right, or obtuse triangles. Okay, so I would like for you guys to pay attention. All right, let's look at this triangle, this red one here. It has a perfect 90-degree angle there, and it has two acute angles, so that makes this a right triangle, right? Okay. Okay, let's try another one. This looks like the angles are all acute. I'm going to hold it up to the square. It's smaller than 90 degrees. They are all smaller than 90 degrees, so that means this is an acute triangle. Okay. Let's take a look at this yellow one here. Can you tell by looking at it what it is? Remember, we name it off of the largest angle. This is the largest, widest angle there, and it is a lot larger than 90 degrees, isn't it? It's obtuse. So that means that this triangle is an obtuse triangle. It has one obtuse angle and two acute angles. But we don't call it an acute triangle. We name it off of the largest angle. Okie dokie. Here's another one. Looks like a right angle to me. Yeah, there's a right angle there. Okay, so when we have a right angle, the other two will be acute. So we have ourselves another right triangle. Okay, let's look at this green one. It looks very similar to this blue one, doesn't it? It looks like this could be the letter A. This is an acute triangle. And we have one more here. To me, that looks like a right angle. I'm going to double check. Yes, it is. Okay, now I'm going to give you a digital version of this, and you are going to decide if a triangle is right, acute, or obtuse by pulling it into a square corner. Okay, so let's take a look. We have three different Post-it notes here. One is for right triangles. This one in the middle is for acute triangles, and the last one is obtuse triangles. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to look at them and see if I can already identify them. So, like for instance, I know number 9 is an acute triangle. It has three angles that are less than 90 degrees. Okay, I can take this and put it in the corner. Doesn't matter which corner. I can line it up. You can manipulate this like that. Okay, I put it in the corner and I see that it is that angle is less than 90 degrees. Okay, so I know that number 9 is an acute triangle. I know by just looking at it, but if something's questionable, you drag it into the corner and see. All right, so number 1 looks like another acute triangle. Whoop, what happened there? Let's see, do any other ones look acute? Number 8. Triangle number 8 looks acute. Oh, I don't know, maybe it's right. Maybe it is a right one. Let's see. I can drag it. Oops. It's being finicky. I can drag it into the corner and double check. Oh, let me see here. Maybe it is a right angle. I'm going to flip it over and double check again because I'm not sure. Do you notice that when I flip it, it says 180 degrees? Ooh, it's pretty dang close, if not. Okay, so I'm going to go with number 8 as a right triangle as well. What about number 2 here? What do you guys think? Pull it into a corner. See if it lines up. Not so much. Let's see. Nope, look. It's not a right angle. This is acute. Okay. All right, let's see. Number 12. Oh, that one looks obtuse. I'm going to check though. I'm going to put it in the corner and see. I have to rotate it a little bit and check and see, does it line up or is it too big? Yep, it's too big. So that's an obtuse triangle. Number 14. Okay, number 14, that looks like an acute triangle with 3 acute angles. Whoops. Okay, number 5 is a right triangle. Number 3 is a right triangle. Let's see if number 6 is. Oh, no, it's a little bit too big. That is obtuse. Okay, so now you guys are going to get a chance to practice this on the next slide.